Okay, listen and say. So there is a dialogue here, Eva. So in lesson A, we have the listen and say. So there is a dialogue here about asking a question about occupation. Okay. So the boy here is asking, "What does your father do?" Can you read the answer, the response of the young lady or the little girl?
It's a pilot.
Okay, very good. He is a pilot. Very good. Very good. Well done. Okay, how about this one? Can you read the sentence? My mother's an office worker.
My mother is office worker.
Okay. Can you listen to me? My mother,
My mother's
an office worker.
an office worker.
Okay. My mother's an office worker.
My mother's an office worker.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Okay, very good. How about this one? Oh, what does an office worker do? Can you
What
repeat
does
the
an
question?
office worker do?
Okay, can you repeat again, Eva?
Oh, what does an office worker do?
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, let's proceed to practice the words asked and answer. Okay, can you read the the picture from the picture number one we have here? Can you
A
read?
pilot.
Okay, very good. A pilot.
A
Okay, how about number?
pilot.
Okay, very good. Number two.
A zookeeper.
Okay, a zoo
A zookeeper.
keeper. Okay, very good. A zookeeper.
A zookeeper.
Okay, very good. Number three.
An astronaut.
An astronomer.
An astronomer.
Okay, very good. How about number four? From the picture number four, can you read number four?
An baseball player.
Okay, a baseball player.
A baseball player.
Oh, okay, very good. Do you have sports, Eva?
Yes.
Okay, what is your sports?
I like baseball too.
Oh, okay, you love baseball too. But teacher Marie, I really love basketball. Do you know how to play basketball, Eva?
Yes.
Okay, very good.